Hello everyone, welcome to the playlist of General Knowledge. In this session, I will be discussing the most important questions related in the field of different awards which is in our country. So you can go through the different questions related to the topic of the various awards. So I am scrolling down the questions. I request you to identify the correct answer and please mark in a convenient place where you can able to verify the right answer when I am going to discuss. So please identify the correct answers of all the 10 questions. Let me scroll down. Hope you are marking down the right answer. If you want, you can pause the video and mark the correct answer. So there are 10 questions. Let me scroll down. Let me come back to the first question. Yes, I have reached to the first question. We'll have a brief discussion on individual questions. The first question is, highest civilian award of India is dash. Please identify the right answer among four. So the highest civilian award of our country India is Bharat Ratna. I have to select option A. Please mark the right answer. Second question is, the highest gallantry award of India is dash. Bharat Ratna, Paramavir Chakra, Arjun Award, Dhyan Chand Award. So the right answer is option B, Paramavir Chakra. I have to select option B. So that's the highest gallantry award of India. Let me discuss the third question. The second highest gallantry award of India is dash. So the second highest gallantry award of India is Mahavir Chakra. I should select option C. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 4. The third highest gallantry award of India is dash. So of course the right answer is Veer Chakra. I have to select option D. That's the third highest gallantry award of India. Question number 5. Highest peacetime gallantry award of India. Ashok Chakra, Paramavir Chakra, Mahavir Chakra and Veer Chakra. So the answer is the highest peacetime gallantry award of India is Ashok Chakra. I have to select option A. Option A is the correct answer for the question number 5. Moving on to the question number 6. The highest conspicuous gallantry award of India is dash. Ashok Chakra, Kirti Chakra, Mahavir Chakra and Veer Chakra. The highest conspicuous gallantry award is Kirti Chakra. I have to select option B. Option B is the correct answer. Let's discuss question number 7. For an act of gallantry award of India. Ashok Chakra, Kirti Chakra, Surya Chakra, Veer Chakra. For an act of gallantry award of India is Surya Chakra. I have to select option C. Option C is the correct answer for this question. Question number 8. Highest honor given for the achievement of sports. Among four, which is the aptest answer, which is the right answer. So the right answer for this question, that is highest honor given for the, of course, the right answer is option A, that is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Related to that particular question, I have put one more question in as a question number 9. The first awardee of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Vishwanathan Anand, P.T. Usha, Sachin Tendulkar, Mahesh Bhupati. So which is the right answer? The right answer for this question is option A, Vishwanathan Anand. Please select option A. Last question for this session. Dronacharya Award instituted in the year of dash. So which is the proper answer? The Dronacharya Award is instituted in the year of 1985. So option A is the correct answer. Please select option A. Hope those questions are useful for you. I request you to mark the right answer and remember those questions. Similar kind of questions can be expected for in the forthcoming examination. So I request you to share this video those who are really preparing for competitive examination. If you like this video, if you require the similar kind of video in future also, kindly subscribe my channel. Finally, thank you for watching this video.